Unveiling Shameless, understanding its meaning and use. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss: the meaning and use of the word shameless. If you've ever come across this word and wondered what it really means, or how to use it in a sentence, you're in the right place. So, stay tuned as we delve deep into understanding shameless. Remember, knowing how to use words correctly is a crucial part of mastering English, and that's what we're here to help you with. Shameless is an adjective that describes a person who is not embarrassed or guilty about their actions, even if they are wrong or immoral. In other words, a shameless person does not feel any shame. For example, if someone lies openly without feeling guilty or embarrassed, they are being shameless. Let's look at some examples to understand how shameless is used in sentences. 1. He was shameless about his cheating, bragging about it to his friends. 2. In this sentence, shameless describes a person who is not embarrassed about cheating. In fact, they even brag about it. 3. She had a shameless disregard for the rules, doing whatever she pleased. 4. Here, shameless is used to describe a person's complete lack of embarrassment or guilt, even when breaking the rules. Understanding synonyms and antonyms can also help grasp the meaning of shameless better. Synonyms: words with similar meanings. Brazen, unabashed, bold, impudent. Antonyms: words with opposite meanings. Ashamed, contrite, guilty, remorseful. That's it for today's lesson on the word shameless. We hope that this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Remember, being able to use words like shameless correctly can really enhance your English vocabulary and help you express yourself more precisely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.